Oh, shit. That's great. Hey, you gotta be careful. You gotta be careful. Here we go. We can't cut our leg off, can we? I don't think so. Maybe. Oh, oh shit. Maybe. Maybe you can cut your leg off. All right, safety first.
I bought a car. It's a piece of shit on 4 wheels. My wife hates the fucking car. It leaks oil from all of the fucking seals. The lady across the street is a cunt. She calls the town on me when I work on the fucking car. Welcome to my car show, asshole.
Okay. So next. Okay. After this Jeep drives by. Next order of business. We have no radiator. So I do have a radiator, actually. This is a radiator from when I was in my 20s. It's hard to believe that this radiator is over 20 years old now. So it has a lot of leaves in it. So I'm gonna try to vacuum those out and cobwebs. But, you know, it's a free radiator and I'm gonna use it. Do I like the idea of using an aluminum radiator? No. I wish I had the old school, I don't know, copper, whatever the hell it is, radiator. So the problem is with the fitment of that radiator is that fan sticks out way too far. And the other problem is that radiator has nozzles on a diagonal. So in other words, I believe, yes, the top nozzle is here, which is fine. It's over a little more. But the bottom nozzle is on this side. So we're gonna have to rig that bottom radiator hose over to this side. But for now, we got to take this spacer out. I was thinking about cutting the spacer down, but that's going to be cut pretty straight. So I think I'm just going to take it out for now and then, you know, bolt the fan right here and then see how far away we are from the radiator and, you know, think about it from there. But right now, let's take off the fan and let's clean out the radiator. Oh boy. Oh man. One of them was super loose and the rest of them are friggin' tight. What do with the goddamn wrench? Oh. Here we go. Should come right off, right? There we go. So this is aluminum right here, so it'd be really nice to, like, I don't know, cut that in half, because I think that would give us enough room for our radiator. But I don't know, maybe I'll just cut that with the circular saw, you know. No, I'm just kidding. That would have to be a really straight cut because I wouldn't want any like imbalance in this fan. You know, you could tell how, you know, what a precision fan that is. So anyway, let's try to get this radiator in. Oh God. This is a radiator I used for a 460. So it's a bit of overkill, I guess. But look at that, oh my God. It fits right in the frame rails. Oh baby, will the hood close? I don't think the hood will close. I don't think the hood will close. Shit. Oh my god, I don't think the hood will close. Only one way to find out. Oh my god. Oh! Sorry, I just closed the hood on you guys. Let's see. That is a monster radiator, by the way. It kind of looks goofy in there. Is there any such thing as too much radiator? I don't know. Let's find out if this hood closes. You see the radiator sticking up out of there? Oh my god. Alright, here we go. And plus it's got to get a radiator cap, so... No, it's not going to work. Son of a bitch. It's right there too, isn't it? Yep. Oh boy, now what? Now what? It's not like we're going to cut the frame rails for a radiator. Okay. Well, I guess we sell this radiator and buy another one. Well, that's a quick video. I guess, you know, this is for the better. I guess we'll get the radiator that actually fits. Maybe even the radiator that I actually want. We'll see. Alright, we'll come back later. So, as much as I wanted to get the stock radiator, just like a, what is it, nickel copper radiator? I don't know. We went with an aluminum radiator, like this. I mean, look how beautiful. I'm not too crazy about aluminum radiators, but for 133 bucks, this will slide right in the car. It's supposed to be bolt in. So let's find out if that's true. Okay, I put the fan back in and the fan pulley because I want to know if I could put this in and still clear everything. Like, wow, look at that. Slide down more. Hey, right there. Wow. Jesus Christ, that thing is too small. It's too small. This is where it's supposed to bolt to. I have about this much space here and about the same on the other side. Damn it. Ay, ay, ay. This hose looks like it lines up. This hose will work. Somebody put an inner radiator hose there to make that smaller. Oh boy. And then we have our transmission lines down here, which this is kind of good, I think. The fan is nice and close. I just have to make some brackets. Let's see. How far out can we come? This side of the way. Can we come that far out? Yeah. Look at that. We'll make some brackets that go from here to here and here to here. Now I don't know whether to make them out of steel. I'm going to put this on to hold it in place. Should we make that out of steel or aluminum? Let's see what we got. Okay, so what we need is we need 2 strips of steel that are 2.5 inches wide and about 9 inches long. 2 strips. Alright, let's see if we got that. That's it. You think those are hot? I think they're hot. There they are. File them down, put them in the car. Go like this. Right? Go right there to the top. And what I have to do is I'll have to offset the radiator back some with some washers. So that's it. We'll basically make some holes here. I'm thinking 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Bang, done. Oh boy. Oh boy, that's not sharp. Fuck. Oh, shit. That's great. Hey, you gotta be careful. You gotta be careful. Here we go. We can't cut our leg off, can we? I don't think so. Maybe. Oh, oh shit. Maybe. Maybe you can cut your leg off. All right, safety first. Jesus, yeah, look at that. Ah, boy. Gotta be careful, kids. Gotta be careful. Let's drill out the radiator without drilling through the radiator. That could happen. I love aluminum. So we'll go like this. All right, we'll show you the right side. The right side will go like this. But we want it set back a little bit. So what we'll do is we'll go like this. My fins, cramping my fins. Oh no, I'm crimping my fins. No, don't crimp the fins. I should have took the fucking fan off. What an idiot I am. Oh my god, I'm stupid. Why? I saw it! There we go. We'll mark these holes and drill them out. Let's try this again. Is this a fit? Is this a, oh God, it fits. Yes. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. We'll use this hose to hold it while I get the bolts. I think this is gonna work. I think this is gonna work. Be right back. We'll bolt it. We'll bolt it through the back, like this. Yes. With a washer. Like that. I know you're thinking, how come you're not using a ratchet? Because we're taking the scenic route. That radiator is not going anywhere. Okay, now let's to see if we're gonna clear our fan. Put our fan in there. Come on, baby, come on, baby, come on, baby, come on, baby. We got it, we got it, we got it, we got it. We're on. Okay. There we go. We clear our fan. And we're pretty even. We're dead even on both sides. We have a radiator. Wow. That fits in there really nice. Really nice. I'm happy with that. You want to take a closer look? Go. So that's how much space we have between the fan and the radiator. I like that because we don't have a shroud, so we want it as close as it can be. The front, the top radiator hose hooks up just fine. The bottom, we'll have to work that out. So from the front, there you go, aluminum radiator in there. I'm not too crazy about it, but it'll do. Yeah, it will do. Got good airflow through there. There it is from the other side. Easy access to the petcock. Should be good. Should be good. Should be good. We're all clear. Now you're asking me, how do I get the fan bolts in? Good question. Alright, that's it for today, guys. I'm shot.